Hi everyone, my name is Arfat, founder of Huntmeleads. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Huntmeleads Chrome extension. This powerful tool will help you supercharge your lead generation on LinkedIn. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into the Huntmeleads platform. Once you've logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn section of the tool. Here, you'll find a link to download the Chrome extension. Click on it and the download will start. Great. Once the download is complete, you'll have a folder containing the Huntmeleads Chrome extension. Now, let's extract that folder. Open the folder and locate the extension file inside. It should have a .crx extension. Keep this file handy. Next, we need to enable developer mode in Chrome so that we can install the extension. In your Chrome browser, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, go to More Tools and select Extensions. Now you're on the Extensions page. At the top right corner, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. Enable it by clicking on the toggle. Perfect. Developer Mode is now unlocked. Now, locate the Huntmeleads extension file that we extracted earlier. Drag and drop the file onto the extensions page. Then go to Load Unpacked and select the folder which we extracted. And there you have it. The Huntmeleads Chrome extension is now successfully installed on your browser. You can see the Huntmeleads icon added to your Chrome toolbar. Whenever you want to use the extension, simply click on the icon to access its features. Remember, the extension works seamlessly with the Huntmeleads platform, allowing you to leverage the power of LinkedIn for effective lead generation. That's it for today's tutorial on installing the Huntmeleads Chrome extension. Now you're ready to take your lead generation to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, do let me know in comment section. Bye guys.